Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to disable save click tones on device in Zoho Cliq. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, launch Zoho Cliq. Then you can see there are many options. Click on three vertical lines at top left corner. Then click on settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on notifications. Then you can see there save click tones on device option. Of this option, finally guys, in this way you can easily disable save click tones on devices in Zoho Cliq.